It's such an iconic building, it deserves a future. We feel once the building is restored, it will be a central feature of community life once again.
This is Rothesay Pavilion. It's a fantastic example of international modernism style of architecture. It's built in 1938, and you'll see incredible Bauhaus influences and a touch of Art Deco. It's truly gobsmacking.
There's many, many memories associated with this building, but we also want to add to that in terms to bring visitors to the island once again, offer different kind of experiences, skills training, for example, STEM education, and also creative education, digital education.
Rothesay has been left with not very much lately, and this building can bring so much more to the island. We've got great hopes for the future and hope to bring it back to what it once was, even better than it was.
It was really iconic. There was dances, there was five-a-side football. It was the beating heart of the community, and I think it would be a great asset to Bute, to Rothesay, and people from far and flung to get this place back up and running.
We've got the right contractors, supremely professional and ultimately skilled. It takes a lot of skill to renovate a building of this architectural heritage.
Currently we're undertaking external fabric works to the building, which will consist of us installing temporary hacky roofs. That will allow us to do works internally during the bad winter months. It's a beautiful place, people are friendly, they really do deserve this facility.
We honestly believe this will make a fundamental difference to the future of Bute. And the other thing about it is the building shouldn't just be considered on its own. It's part of the regeneration of this island. And if we all come together, we can really sell this place as a place to visit and also, probably even more importantly, a great place to live.